Ever wondered why flamingos are pink? Surprisingly, flamingos aren't born pink. They're born gray or white. Their color comes from what they eat. Flamingos feed on algae, shrimp, and small crustaceans that contain natural pigments called carotenoids, the same pigments found in carrots. As flamingos digest this food, the pigments travel through their bodies and settle in their feathers, skin, and beaks, slowly turning them pink. The healthier the diet, the brighter the color. So, a flamingo's pink shade is actually a sign of good health. Nature is incredible.